Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to deposit money in Palmpay wallet from Bybit. So watch the video to the very end so you won't make any mistakes. So the first thing you have to do is to open the Palmpay wallet and copy your Solana address, which is the XOL address that's called Solana. Then from there open the Bybit app or website and log in. Then go to the withdraw, which is to click on the asset, then click on spotlight, then click on withdraw. Then after that, select the XOL as the cryptocurrency, then enter the withdrawal details. Now to do that, paste your wallet address, which is the Phantom wallet address, then choose the Solana network, which is the SOL network, which is called Solana. Then after that, enter the amount to transfer, then confirm the transaction. So to do that, double check the address and the network, then complete the security verification and confirm it. Then after that, wait for a few minutes for the transfer. Then your balance should be updated once the transaction is complete. And that's a simple guide on how to deposit money in Phantom wallet from Bybit. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more content like this.